Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable the lock screen sounds on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now you might notice whenever you lock your device, there's a sound that you can hear, and also when you unlock your device, you can hear that particular sound. So if you'd like to disable or enable it, all you have to do is simply go to settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and find sound and vibration, tap on it, and then scroll down to the bottom and select additional settings. And then within the additional settings, scroll down and find play sound when locking device. So as you can see, by default, for me it's enabled. So if you want to disable that screen lock sounds, tap on that toggle switch icon, and whenever you lock your screen, you can no longer hear that sound. But if you like to enable it, all you have to do is simply find that option again and toggle on the switch, and that will enable it. So whenever you lock your device, you can hear that particular sound. So that's basically it on how to enable and disable the lock screen sounds on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.